products and the innovative solutions they provide are everywhere, improving stability, strength, and lifespan, and of course, providing protection. That's the primary reason we're in business, to protect and extend the life of your most valued assets. PPG's Protective and Marine Coatings business is an innovative and global organization that provides uniquely formulated coating solutions that enhance and protect a wide range of assets in some of the most demanding industries and environments across the globe. Our coatings guard against corrosion, abrasion and general wear, as well as environmental factors such as ultraviolet light, wind, snow and ice, and rain. PPG also has innovative coatings for fire protection. And protective and marine coatings can be utilized in both new build and maintenance and repair. PPG delivers innovative protective coating and fire protection solutions for a wide range of civil infrastructure assets and projects worldwide, including airports, bridges, railways, commercial buildings, stadiums, water storage towers and wastewater treatment facilities, and even recreational structures like roller coasters and water slides. Manufacturing and processing plants and commercial facilities often require high-performance coatings to protect your business's buildings, machinery, and equipment, as well as your personnel. This is especially true in facilities that see significant public traffic, like schools, hospitals, and airports. PPG offers many specially formulated coatings designed to maintain your facility. Coatings protecting against corrosion, high temperatures, and environmental elements, and daily wear and tear, which can mean reduced maintenance costs. These high-performance coatings can be found in building interiors, protecting handrails, flooring, and even school lockers. PPG is a world leader in marine coatings, producing products and services that protect customers' assets in some of the most demanding conditions. Designed to safeguard ships at the time of new build or for maintenance and repair, PPG provides service through the industry's largest distribution network and products that provide long-lasting performance and reduced crew maintenance time. PPG delivers world-class high-performance coatings for major power facilities around the world by making plants and equipment last longer and work more efficiently while lowering ongoing maintenance costs. PPG solutions help power fossil, nuclear, hydroelectric, and wind power facilities, as well as companies that facilitate the transmission and distribution of power. PPG is dedicated to developing, manufacturing, and supplying coatings and fire protection solutions that meet the challenging needs of the oil, gas, and chemical processing industries, such as offshore oil rigs, petrochemical plants, bulk storage tanks, pipelines, refineries, and subsea structures. Our vast experience allows us to offer protective coating solutions featuring industry-leading tank linings, zinc-rich primers, general-purpose epoxies, and durable finishes that withstand the harshest environments and hazardous operating conditions. PPG delivers proven and long-lasting protection for a wide range of rail infrastructure, with a particular emphasis on coatings for freight car exteriors, tank linings, and hopper car liners. For more than 40 years, we have been a major supplier of coatings for the railcar industry, providing the combination of aesthetics and durable protection required by the rail industry. So now you know, PPG's protective and marine coatings are everywhere, providing uniquely formulated solutions that protect and extend the life of your most valued assets. For more information on PPG's protective and marine coatings, visit our website at ppgpmc.com.